Alrighty, welcome back to Hyperspeed YouTube channel. This episode I'm actually taking the bumper out and installing the front diffuser splitter. Just took the bumper out right there, and I'm also installing these rods for the diffuser or splitter, whatever you want to call it. So here's the rod right here. These rods are made by Professional Awesome Racing. That's the name of the guys who makes it. And what's unique about these rods is that you can cut it up to whatever size you need, and they come with these cool little hardware. And the rods are made out of I think carbon or carbon fiber, or some kind of carbon thing. So the good thing about them that they're stiff, they're hard, they hold the weight of the splitter. But also at the same time they flex a little bit, see? So when you're hitting something like a curve or whatever, it flex a little bit. That's what you want. You want it to kind of flex but still hold the weight of the downforce. So these are really good, and the hardware are really cool too. And it kind of all you have to do is tighten it up, and it will crimp into the rods, and that's basically it. So what I'm going to do today is figure out exact place to mount it and cut it to size, and then mount it to the splitter. So it's much longer than I need it, so end up cutting it a little bit and then tighten it up. That's it. Pretty simple install. The bash bar is made, if you're wondering what bash bar that is, it's made by Drift Fab, I think. They're in Europe, I believe. Drift by, and actually they come in, if you buy it, it come in pieces, so you have to weld it. I know if you guys see my older video, you'll see me like weld it together. It's not the best weld, not like a professional welder or anything, but it looks pretty dang good. It's probably the best looking front bash bar that I've seen from Miatas.
Please subscribe to Hyperspeed Media YouTube channel.
Now for some fun part, this is going to be the bottom or the top of the splitter. There's actually a quick disconnect. It's for a Honda Civic, but we're going to use this here too. I have to make a custom bracket just to mount it, but how the quick connect work is that it has a pin right here. Just connect the pin, then it slides right out. So you can literally, you mount this to the splitter, and you can take the splitter in and out real quick by just sliding it in like that, and then put in the pin. Like a quick disconnect. It's made for a Honda Civic, but I'm gonna rig it up and make it work for the Miata. So here's a splitter I cut a while back. Never had a chance to install until now. But you can get these at any local sign shop or a plastic, what do you call it, panel warehouse. They sell them too. So it's already been cut to size. Now I just gotta find a mounting place for it and then install the rods. Another thing I did is I cut it further back so that way it covers the oil pan, just in case rocks or something might hit it and destroy the oil pan. So it's like an extra protection for the oil pan. That's one thing you might consider if you're planning to do something like this. If you can't find the plastic panel itself, you could also get birch wood that a lot of people in the racing world use as their front splitter. Alright, so here's the bottom of the frame. There's two bolts that I use a cardboard to cut out. There's two bolts that should line up, and then there's one more bolt for the main tow hook. Then I'm going to mount that toward it. Then I'm going to make a L, kind of like an L shape going down, and that's going to hold the splitter and that's like a cardboard mock-up, and I'm gonna cut it and make a metal piece out of it.
Please subscribe to Hyperspeed Media YouTube チャンネル。Okay, so I made the bracket right here. Hold on by 2 bolts. Then I'm gonna make another bracket that goes underneath here and weld that on like an L shape, and that's gonna hang into the quick release of the splitter. The splitter off, put it back on easily. You bolt it up and put the pins in there, it stays in place. And it's adjustable to go up and down a little bit. And dismount directly into the rail. Now I just got to paint this and put the splitter on. Alright, so here's the bracket mounted, and so you could go slide it up and down pretty good. Hopefully it doesn't hit the intercooler piping.
サブスクライブto ハイパースピードメディア YouTube チャンネル。
Okay, so this is how it looks
with everything completely mounted. I think I'm going to redo the side and get it out about an inch or two more out. My front is sticking out a little bit more, so I'm going to match it up with about an inch more thicker or inch more out. Overall, looks pretty good. It's chassis mounted.
Please subscribe to Hyperspeed Media YouTube チャンネル